a bit of a different video for me. I usually stick to makeup and stuff, but I'm jumping out of the box a little bit and doing a wish list video. So this is going to be my Christmas wish list of 2018. A little disclaimer is I'm not expecting to get all of these things. In all honesty, I probably won't get most of these things. They're just kind of like ideas for you guys and just kind of things that I guess that I would like to receive, but I'm not expecting to receive. And also, most of these things are things that I am asking for, but some of these are things that like I'm just putting out there for you guys. And they're all things that I would like, but I'm not asking for them because it's just not realistic for me to get them. But yeah, that's all for today. I hope y'all enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get started. So the first thing on my wish list is the Morphe eye brush set in 702. This is an eye brush set that I think has like 8 or so brushes, and it's like, I don't know, $20. But I love Morphe brushes a lot, and I've been wanting more eye brushes, but buying them individually can get a little bit expensive, and it's just an easier way for someone to be like, well, that's what it is, instead of going through and searching for all the brushes. Next, I have the Morphe setting spray. I've heard a lot of beauty gurus talk about this, and I have always wanted to try it, but anytime I'm like, oh, I'm gonna get it, I decide I don't get it. Next, I want the Morphe 8L Sculpt and Shimmer Palette. This is a highlight and contour palette. I want this mainly because I want to try some of their highlighters, and their bronzers look gorgeous, but also for when I do other people's makeup, I want to have a variety of colors and shades that I can use. Next, I have the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill Armed and Gorgeous palette. So I also want the Bling Boss palette, but I asked my friend for that palette because something is happening. But anyway, I'm asking for this palette because I think it's gorgeous and it's very different from anything that I've seen on the market. And I haven't tried anything from the Vault collection yet, and I really have been wanting to. I've heard some really good things, some not so good things, and I kind of want to form my own opinion. Next is the Morphe x James Charles palette. So this hasn't even released yet. This releases the 9th of November. Today is currently the 7th, I think. So by the time this video goes up, it'll already have been released. But when I watched the swatch video and I watched other people's swatch videos and like reviews on it, and I was like, it's so pretty and I've heard really good things about it. I'm like, I might as well add it to my list. If I don't get it, it's not the end of the world. It's only a $39 eyeshadow palette. Like, it's not super expensive. If I really want it, I can always go out and buy it myself. Next is books. I just always have books in the Amazon cart, whether I'm gonna buy them or not. I just like put them in the save later, and then if I need a new book, I just go there and pick one. So I have like 4 or 5 books in there probably. I read all the time. I'm such a book nerd, and I always ask for books for Christmas, so that's just kind of that. Next is the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. I want this so bad. Like, even in my list, I put in parentheses, I want this so bad, because it's like one of those things I'm like, I really hope that I get. So if like out of everything on this list, that's like one of the things that I'm like, please get me this. And like I said, if I don't get it, I'm probably gonna have to buy it for myself just because I want it that bad. But I've heard so many good things about this. Nicole Renee Cutler raves about it all the time. I love watching her, and I'm like, it's so gorgeous, and I want it so bad. So yeah, I put that on there. Is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio in peach something. Like, I don't know. I just put peach because like the peach one, but it's like peach something. But it's like $30, and I've heard really good things about it. I love Anastasia Beverly Hills so much. Like, those products are so good. So next is Spotify Premium. This one is not a very good chance of me getting it, but I would really enjoy if I had Spotify Premium. My mom has it, and I've heard that they have like a family plan or something. I don't know, but if I would get Spotify Premium, I'd be very happy. Next is a Stranger Things hoodie. I have the one that I want in my Amazon cart. It's black and it just says Stranger Things in red right here. I really love hoodies and I love Stranger Things. I got my boyfriend hooked on it. I really like this hoodie, and I don't know. I just think it's super cute and basic, and it's just kind of like me, like black and red, two of my favorite colors. And Stranger Things, like, I don't know. I just really like it. Next is an Ulta gift card. I prefer to shop at Ulta rather than Sephora, but I always ask for Ulta or Sephora gift cards. I never get them, but I always ask for them just like if you want, you know, to give me some Ulta or Sephora gift cards, like, I'll take it. I mean, I love makeup. Obviously, almost everything on this is makeup. And the last thing that I am asking for is a filming ring light. I also have this in my Amazon cart, like the one that I want. It's like $80, I think, but it comes with a ring light, and it also has a tripod. So I really have been wanting one. I've been trying to convince myself to not buy myself it for months now, and I'm just like, okay, I asked for it for Christmas. I have my vanity lights, which I'm using right now, and they work really well, but I like have to film right here. I can't go anywhere else to film if I want good lighting, and it's now like getting dark at 5 o'clock, so yeah, it's just kind of helpful if I would get that, and I'd really love to have a filming light. Okay, so the last few things are things that I would ask for, or like I'm not asking for, but I would ask for, or they're just kind of ideas for you guys. These are all things that I know I would enjoy if I received, but I just wanted to give you guys a few extra ideas. First is a Champion hoodie. I have been wanting the green Champion hoodie for so long, and I'm probably not gonna get it because I can't find it anywhere, and I'm not asking for it just because like I asked for another hoodie. But Champion hoodies or Adidas hoodies or hoodies in general, I freaking love hoodies. And I bet almost any other girl out there would appreciate getting a hoodie. Ariana Grande concert tickets. I love Ariana Grande so much. Like, I've always liked her, but this year I am in love with her. Like, everything about her is perfect. I love her so much. Her new song, oh my god, such a banger. Literally, I listen to it like 4 times a day. So yeah, but it doesn't obviously have to be Ariana Grande tickets. You could ask for anywhere. I like Post Malone, Ariana Grande. I want in South Florida Georgia Line this summer. So literally concerts to anywhere if you want to ask for like that one really big gift, or even if you just want one gift and it's like concert tickets, I'd completely recommend going to a concert. Concerts are amazing. They're so much fun and they're so worth the money. So that is that. Next is perfume. Every Christmas, I usually ask for a perfume, but I'm getting my varsity jacket from my dad, and he's usually who I ask for a perfume from. But this year, I'm not asking for a perfume because my varsity jacket, which is like my school jacket, I don't know if y'all know what that is, but it's like a coat thing, and it has your school and like what sports you do and like your varsity letters and awards and stuff you put on it. But I'm getting that, and they're very expensive, so that's like what I'm getting for Christmas instead of like other stuff. So perfume, great. I have a couple expensive perfumes over there. Only ones I've asked for Christmas. Literally, I only ask for them for Christmas. But I love perfumes. Any girl likes perfume, I think so. Next, I have a teddy bear jacket. I have been wanting a teddy bear jacket for a really long time, and I was so tempted to get one, but I talked myself out of it because I need to start saving money. So teddy bear jackets are super cute, they're super in style, they're super trendy, they're super thick and warm, and I just love them. Next, I have candles. I love Bath & Body Works candles. I'm pretty sure any girl out there loves Bath & Body Works anything, but candles are super cozy and warm and stuff. And I know Black Friday is having like $10 3-wick candles. Plus, I know I have coupons in the mail from there, so they're like probably 20% off your entire purchase or something. So candles, I completely recommend candles. And the very last thing is Apple AirPods. I want Apple AirPods so bad, but they're like $140, and it's not like, I'm not the type of person who's gonna be like, hey, I want a $140 present, go get me that, because I don't care about how much gifts cost and like if it's super bougie or expensive or anything. Like, I don't know, things that are expensive I usually want to pay for myself and not like ask other people to pay for. So yeah, But even regular earbuds or an iPhone case or anything like that is always a good idea for a stocking stuffer, or if you do get the Apple AirPods or Beats headphones or something. It's a really nice and expensive gift. So that was everything that I am asking for, or that you guys could ask for. I just wanted to do this video because I love watching them. I think I have like 5 or 6 in my watch later, which I'm gonna edit this video, which is gonna be quick, and then I'm just gonna keep watching them because I got all my homework done and I don't have any tests tomorrow. So, but yeah, I just wanted to film it. I thought it was gonna be fun and cute. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any Thanksgiving or Halloween recommendations, let me know. I have ideas, but I don't know if I'm gonna get to them all or if I'll end up doing them. My Thanksgiving break is in, oh my gosh, it's literally in 2 weeks. What the heck? And my birthday is November 19th, so also in less than 2 weeks. I'm gonna be 15, bros. I probably am not gonna get a bunch of presents for my birthday, but I'm still probably gonna film what I got for my birthday, because most likely I'll get money and then I'll just go spend it on makeup. What's new? But yeah, that's everything I think I need to say. Except make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We are almost at 560, making our way up there. Once we hit 1K, I'm gonna be so freaking happy. But yeah, video recommendations down below. Like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys to the moon and back, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, babies.
Sí, sí, sí.